Hello everyone. Today we solve to some problem. LeetCode problem number one. It is a very classic problem. First we understand the problem, then we think a solution. Like uh, problem is we have to give an array integer. Array name is nums, and we have to find integer target. And we have to not return the uh, to some return in the problem. We have to return the indices of the uh, target value, and we have would have to exactly one solution. You may not have same element twice. You can return the answer only in order. Like uh, in see the example number one. Like okay, that's okay. Then you can see we have a nums array like 2, 7, 11, and 15. We have target is equal to 9. Like in this problem, we have to sum the value on the array and then return the indexes. Like 2 and 7 is equal to 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Uh, then we have to return the like index 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. We have to return the indexes like 0 and 1, that is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Uh, like num 0, nums 1 is equal to 9. We return to 0 and 1. In example number 2, uh, nums equal to 3, then 2, then 4. Index is 0, 1, and 2. We have target 6. Then we have sum of 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Then we have to return the indexes is equal to 1 and 2. We can understand the problem. We think about the solution. Like we have a multiple approach to do that discussion. But one is a brute force approach is a like same as a problem we can see in the screen. Like if we do like we have 2, 7, 11, and 15, then we make a two pointer I and j, uh, and make a for loop for that, like a for loop for I, and I is equal to start with 0. Then we move to nums n, uh, and then I plus plus. Then we make a for loop for uh, j, uh, from 0 to n. Then we check for each element, like if we have check for the make if condition, if nums nums I is equal to nums j, then we have to return these return indexes I and j. Uh, but the that is the we if we not then move to j plus 1, then j2 plus 2. Then if we make a two loop for that, that is the time complexity is big of n square. But in our problem, constant are the length not equal to 10 the power 4. That means we have to optimize that solution. We can't write a code on the n square. We have to write code less than n square. Uh, if we write like big of n or complexity is log n or n log n, we think about in this range. Like we have another uh, we have another thing about solution. uh, if we use the map, then we easily can do this solution. Like if we uh, use the unordered map, unordered map, uh, like unordered map have a functionality to store the value with value with their indexes. Like if we store the like if we store the like value of the you can see the problem. We can take the example of the problem. Like we have 2 7 11 and 5. 2 7 11 and sorry 15, and target is equal to 9. Then target is equal to 9. Then unordered map have functionality to store the value like with value 2, index is 0, then 7, then index is 1, uh, then value is 11, then index is 2, then value is 15, and then index is 3. We can store that in map. Then we check the 2 and 7 are equal to 9. And if they are equal to 9, then return the indexes is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. It is if we have a target is equal to uh, 17, then we check for 2 and 7, then uh, 2 and 11, 7 and 11, 2 and 2 and 15. Then we find out a target value equal to sum. Then return these indexes is equal to right 0 and 3. That is the answer. We can think about this approach. Uh, how can we do uh, this code? First of all, we make a code, then dry run on this code. Like we first of all we have to make a one unordered map. Why we use unordered on the ordered map? Unordered map time complexity is less than the ordered map. That's why we use unordered map. First, we have to make a unordered map. Like we can say unordered unordered map. Then we make a for store the value int. Then we make a for indexes. We make a name is a num map for that, and then we have to make a loop to run the our uh, array. Like we make a one for loop for that. For int I is equal to 0, then I is less than the num dot size, and we increase the I. Okay. Then we start make a one uh, variable that is find out the value of the second index. Like if make a int complement variable uh, is e- if is equal to target minus num I, num size. Uh, then we can store the value. Like if you have a target is equal to 7, then we take the example of the this 2, 7, and 11, 5, 2, 7, and 11, and 15. And target is equal to 9. It is 9. Okay, this is our target. Then we have to store, like, if say 9 minus 2, then we say stored in the complement, and then we make a one if condition for that. If uh, uh, nummap dot find, it is find in the our unordered map, find complement is not equal to nummap dot end. Then we make a condition for that. If it is that if find num dot find is not equal to num, we move to the end and find out the complement in our unordered map. Then we make a, if it is found, then we return that value. Return return is equal to nummap complement, and we can also, second is our I, we return that. uh, and we can if it is not complement in, not find in uh, unordered map, then we push the second value in the our unordered map, like num num map num I equal to I, and then we return our, if it is not find target value, then return. That is the our code. Let's try run for that. uh, like, we stored the first of all two in the our noded map. Check the if target is equal to num or equal to complement. Then we check if it complement is in our like in our unordered map. Then we return the value, I, like this case, if complement is equal to target 9, 9 minus num size is equal to 2, then 7, and then we check the uh, complement, find the complement in the nums unordered map. Then we return the size of the I is equal to uh, I is equal to 2, and that value is equal to, we can say in the vector, like return 0 and 1. That is our answer. Uh, let's code in LeetCode. Then check that it is a true, or answer is true or not. Okay, let's do a coding on LeetCode. Like, first we have to make an order map. An order map. Uh, make a for variable int, then int for save the index. Then name is a nummap. Then we make a for loop for that, for and I is equal to 0, I is less than nums dot size I plus plus, uh, make a one variable name complement is equal to target minus size. Then we make a one condition for check our value in the unordered map, like num map dot find complement complement not equal to num map dot end. Then return that return num map complement comma I. If it is condition is not true, then we put the value on next value num dot map, then nums I is equal to I, then return. Okay, let's run that. Okay, we passed all test cases. Let's submit. Okay, uh, we have passes all the test cases and submit our code. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. If you like my video, then comment on my uh, video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.